Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. So today we came to the Simi Dog Park. It's a great space for large and small dogs. They have different locations. It's a great way to get out of the house, get exercise for your dog, get some sunshine, and we'll take some footage and show you some photos of some great times today. So we're here with one of the constituents who loves the dog park, and we're just curious what she loves most about being here at the dog park. What do you think, Val? You having a good time? Oh, I think it's playing fetch is her favorite activity. Ready? Good girl. Yeah, good girl. So one of my other ideas to make this park even better is to install solar lighting so that during the day it's storing in batteries. And so this park potentially, or at least part of it, could be open beyond dusk, and that people who are maybe working till 5 but still want to take their dog out on a work night could still come for a few more hours and enjoy the park with their pup.
Like open really? Forward and backwards, yeah. Yeah, there's really some dogs in the park. Go, John. Baby stop. Being baby set.